I buy. You guys tell me what's going on here. So I know that's another exhaust in the back. I can't even get the tailgate open. This is rusted shut. Has been open in over like 2 years. Had the ratchet strap on it. Oh, this is crushed. This is fiberglass. It's got Momo steering wheel though. Making some progress with this one. Got her all washed up. The other side of the bay, finally. Got a Cherokee in on this side. I didn't show you guys this one yet. It's got the Rhino line on it. Just got it. A little sneak peek for you. Those are Anzo taillights. It was like $200. Just took the headliner out of it. About to redo it. I'll do a separate video for that one though. This is for the Shark Jeep. That's what I'm gonna continue to call it because it had to fit on it. I did test all the lights though. The lights do work. Have to rewire them up. Inside came out decent after a cleaning. I'm gonna put seat covers on because that side's ripped. They had the rug. They took all the rug out right in the back, and then put this down in the front. But then they left a piece of rug down in the front under all this. I took it out yesterday. Got this as good as possible. I'm gonna put the rust inhibitor on it and then paint it. It's still solid, but it just rusted because they left the rug in. Gonna put the rust inhibitor on this before I paint it too. Oh, look at him, he got scared. He's still not used to me yet. I was trying to show you the Jeep. I'll put different wheels on it. Yeah, just a little update of what I got going on. Washed them, got it going. Progress is being made. I'm about to start getting painting on her. What's going on? Oh, this Jeep's been a long way coming. Got it taped up for the most part. Next video, I'll have all this painted with my new thing of Herculiner. Should be looking real nice. I came yesterday and painted the keyholes and the back handle. That's why they're all taped off. These ones are chrome, so I didn't have to paint these. Ooh. She's starting to look like a Jeep now. Wow. Look at her. They're all painted up. Started to put back on some of the pieces. These were a pain. Squeezing them back in. Came out real nice. That's just a piece of tape. Dirt from the attic, of course. Okay. I got rug. side pieces. So I'm not worried about that. About to paint the hard top, all these little pieces, and these fender flares, and yeah, that's where we're at. Woo! I've been busy, guys. I have been busy. Got the fender flares painted, hard top painted, all that painted that I showed you. Fender flares on. I think they look pretty good. Match the hard top real nice. I didn't put the other side on yet just to show you. Because I was really thinking about leaving them off. This is just dirt from putting it on. It came out real nice. Same with the hard top. Got the tail lights on. License plate bracket. All under there painted real nice. 1D shackle for now. I might find another and put it on. I have the cap for that. I have to put that on. Where is that cap? These look real good in there. Did them flat black, so they look like new plastic in there. All of this that you guys are seeing, this is just it from grinding away because I keep opening and closing it. But after it wears all the way, that was sealed up because unless I took this off, there was really no other way to do it. So once it all seals up, I'll paint it with touch-up paint and it'll be able to move and not be stuck together. Oh, look at that. I forgot a bolt. I need to put a bolt in. But the tail lights came out nice. I just made sure all the lights work as well. What do you think? Flares or no flares? I still have to put the hubcaps on. But no flares, wow. But I guess it depends on your state too. TJ mirrors. TJ side steps. I decided not to paint these because the side steps I'm not painting. So these two will go together because they're both stock TJ black. Fender flare, no fender flare. What to do? This one, I'll show you later.
Damn, we're almost out of wire. All right.
Alright, final wash just happened. About to put set of hubcaps on, hubcap mic. Just did this one. Super easy, flips right in. Low foam backing. put the seat covers on, center console, back seats, and I only put the rug on the side pieces. It's got the mat for the front. I have to clean all this up. I'm gonna put some wire guards over at the plastic pieces, but wired up the lights myself. Quite proud of that. And yeah, let me slap these other hubcaps on, and then I'll give you a final full walk around. And I gotta put these decals that my wife made me, chrome ones. Gotta put those on. All right, guys, stickers are on. It's a wet day. Someone's on their way though to come look at it. That was their choice. But what is that? Bird poop. Great. But I wanted you guys to hear her before I send her off. Just connected my phone, but I can't get the speakers to work all of a sudden, so I don't know. I'll give them some off maybe. This is a week after that last video. The rain wiped off one of my stickers. I don't know where it went. Or should I say the snowstorm. Fingers crossed.